Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about the directional and weighted graph. We did the undirectional and unweighted graph. If you guys watched that video, today we're going to be doing directional and weighted graph. First, we start from making the libraries, and G equals to nx dot digraph, meaning directional graph. And G and node, we add a node, Amazon. Like Amazon. Okay. A for now. O-Z-O-N. Amazon. Next node, I'll move it. Next node is, I'll move it right here. Next node is Walmart. So we have to add a new node, Walmart. I hope you guys can see it, which is over here if you can. Walmart. Okay, Walmart. Walmart. Next, I'm pretty sure all of you guys know this one. Target. Oh, we'll just write TA for now for Target. We haven't made the connection. What we do on the seventh line, add edge Amazon to Walmart. Wait, it's 20. So Amazon goes to Walmart, let's say. Now we have the connection. It takes Amazon goes to Walmart. It takes there 20 minutes to only get there. And it costs $20 to get there. Next is Walmart to Target. So when Walmart is driving to Target, it takes only 30 minutes to get there. Okay? And $30 to pay. Then Target to Amazon takes only 40 minutes to get there and costs $40 to get there. This is just an undirectional and weighted graph. No directional yet. Then here's where we started. Position, if you can, I hope you can see. You can't see this one. NX dot spring layout G. Okay? Meaning our graph. Now we make edge labels. NX dot get edge, so attributes, meaning get these attributes like Amazon to Walmart, Walmart to Target, and Target to Amazon. Graph, comma, we put the weight, so we can see this weight on the graph to plot it. Then NX dot draw, we're now drawing the graph. G, comma, position, POS, with labels, so we have labels Amazon, Walmart, Target, true. And arrows equals to true, meaning we can add these arrowheads. So Amazon's going to Walmart, and Walmart's going to Target, and Target's going to Walmart. Now we finally have a directional and a weighted graph and plt.show. Okay, that's the graph. I'll run the code for you guys. So it's loading. As you see here, This is pretty much the same. It's like the same thing, but Amazon, Walmart, and Target, they're at different places. Okay? And you can see here we have coordinates too. For where Amazon is, it's right now at minus 0.913, comma minus 0.385. And for Walmart, we have the coordinates at the bottom. And for Target, you have the coordinates at the bottom too. Okay, this is how our directional and weighted graph looks like. So thank everyone for listening about my video about directional and weighted graph. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like.